Hello, boys and girls. Miss Martinez here. We are going to be talking about math for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So this video is going to include all 3 days. Now, that doesn't mean that you have to do them all in one day. Remember, you need to split it up and do your Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday on each day. Okay, so I'm going to show you what you have to do. Okay, in your math journal, on page 13.3, you have different sea animals. And you, for example, are going to look at the seahorse and you're going to count how many you have. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. You're going to color that many boxes right here by the seahorse. So we counted 3 seahorses. You're going to color 1, 2, and 3 boxes. And then you write that number here. Then you are going to count the fish and color that many boxes. Then you count the jellyfish and color that many boxes. And then you count the crab and you color that many boxes. And remember to write the number as well. On the other side, you have some addition problems and subtraction problems. Now, don't get them confused. Remember that addition is to put things together. But when you come to the other side, you need to take away. 13.4, this is your Thursday math. You have a graph and you need to count the objects and write the number. So for example, on the cats here, you're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you write that number at the bottom. Then you count the bunnies, and you write that number at the bottom. Then you count the fish, and you write that number at the bottom. When you're done with that, you're going to need some help from someone to read the questions to you. So you have different questions on this side of the page. Somebody has to read the questions to you so you can answer the questions. And on the other side, you have another graph. Same thing. Count the objects, write the number at the bottom, and then somebody has to read these questions on the right side so you can answer the questions. Page 13.5, this is going to be your Friday math. On this one, you need a spinner. So you can use a paper clip, a fidget spinner, and you can even use your fingers. You can place the finger in that black circle in the middle, and then you can close your eyes and just move your finger around until you stop in one of those places. When you stop in one of them, let's say that you stopped on the sunglasses, then you're going to color one of the squares over here on the graph. Then you spin again, and then you color the next square. Let's say that you got the swimsuits. So you can color one of the squares for the swimsuits. Let's say that for the next one, you got the floaty. So then you color a square for the floaty. You keep spinning at least 10 times. I actually recommend that you spin about 15 times so you get a good number on your graph for each one of them. If you get repeated once, that's completely fine. That's how a graph works. And then you're going to count how many you got of each one of those. You're going to write that number, and you have a couple of questions. Again, for this one, you're going to need some help. Someone reading those questions to you. Addition and subtraction again. So remember, addition is to put sets together, and subtraction is to take away. Do not get them confused. Look at the signs. Look at the signs to make sure you're doing the right thing. All right, that is it for your math.
Hi guys, so you just finished math with Miss Martinez and she did such a great job. Now we're moving on to our phonics. So we still have the diagraph SH this week. And SH together makes the, what sound? Let me hear you. Shh. If you said shh, then you are correct. You did a great job. I'm going to show you a couple of pictures, and you're going to tell me if the SH, the sh, sounds at the beginning or the end. Shirt. Shirt. Beginning? Correct. What about the word cash? Skirt. Good job, right there at the end of the word. What about ship? Good job, right here at the beginning. And remember, it's a lot easier to sound these words out that you don't know now that you know the S and the H together make the sh sound. So sh, t, sh, t, shut. That's why it's a picture of a door. Good job, guys. But I want to take you back to trash because today is Earth Day. And me, Miss Martinez, we sent you guys a video last Friday with some few things that you can do to take care of the earth that we live in and that we love so very much. Turning off the lights when you leave the room. Recycle. Reuse. Reuse means you and your siblings, you can share things. You can pass it down or they can pass it down to you. It's perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with that. And also, not littering. We don't just throw our things outside on the ground. No. We throw them in the trash. And if you see some trash, we pick up trash. But you just be careful about what you pick up. If it looks suspicious, wait and go get mom, dad, grandma, grandpa. Okay? And enjoy a book that we've added to the playlist about Earth Day for you guys. Now that we've covered phonics and Earth Day, we just review our sight words from this week as well. All right, so now, N-O-W, long, L-O-N-G, no, N-O, came, C-A-M-E, and ask, A-S-K. You guys have been practicing doing some activities with these sight words too on your choice board. Now, last thing I want you to remember is put on your house colors, have your parents take a picture and send it to your teacher so we can give you guys some house points. We are still trying to find our house of the year. All right, guys? I miss you very, very much, and we'll talk to you again soon.